Hello, this is going to be my first video. This is going to be a Scratch tutorial, and in this video I will show you, in fact, how to create smooth moving on Scratch. So first you'll need to create a project, or if you've already created a project then just start from here. So you got your whatever sprite you want to use. You can upload like a costume or something if you want to change the costume from the Scratch Cat to someone else. For the moving, you'll want to start with the green flag button, of course. That'll be in the events section. Next, you'll go to Control and drag a forever block into there. Then if then, and then you can do another one, or you can just have that one, then duplicate it, put it right there. Then you'll go to Sensing, do a key pressed block, then go to Motion, change Y by 10, then change X into the one right below that. So Y is going to be your up and down movement, and X is going to be the side to side movement. So then you can duplicate, you can duplicate this and duplicate these so they all have keys. So this is going to be, sorry, oh god, hold on, technical difficulties. So this is going to be your up key. This is going to be your right key. And this is down. And of course you don't have to have them in this order, but this is just how I'm doing it, how I usually do it. Up and down are always Y. So for up, it's going to be change Y by a positive value. For down, you're going to change Y by a negative value. For right, it's going to be change X by a positive value, and for left, it's going to change X by a negative value. Hold on, was it there? Sorry. And you can have assign whichever key you want for up, down, left, right. I usually have W, A, S, and D because that's what I'm used to, but you can also have the arrow keys, like so, or even space. Oh, and forgot to mention, this is just a top-down 2D movement, so if you want like side-on movement, then I'll probably make a tutorial on how to do that as well, like properly, like jumping and stuff. So, and then this is pretty much it. So yeah. And when I say smooth movement, it is smoother than if you have like, hold on, where is it? Yeah. Also, it's more compact. At least it's in one thing of code instead of just spread out. Over multiple things of code. So it's just generally better anyway. And so if you start, it like does that sort of, so you know how if you're typing, for an example, this, you hold down a key and it starts with just one and then it takes a second to start spamming them. that's sort of what it's doing here. If you just have them like this, it's sort of acting like you're just typing. But hold on. If you just have this, then it is smooth. It's not, doesn't have that pause at the start. And that's pretty much it for the video. That's all I have to show. So, goodbye. I will see you in the next video if you watch another video by me. Might take me a little bit for me to upload the second video though, but yeah. Bye.